Whew. What a day, what a day, what a day. Hi guys, what's going on? It's me, Mwenesi Musali, a curator of fine places and spaces. And I've just had an amazing breakfast here at the hotel. I'm here to pick up none other than Zari, the boss lady. Yesterday we had an amazing day. We went to Namanga where we were able to check out one of the developments that Fine Urban Construction and Interiors had been able to make, and safe to say it blew her mind. And you know what? She's even thinking about, possibly even investing here in Kenya, maybe making a purchase or two and making sure that the person and the group that is going to be involved is Fine Urban Construction and Interiors. Today is the day. We want to see if we have what it takes to make her finally make a decision. We want her to check out a mega mansion in Runda, developed by Fine Urban Construction and Interiors. And guys, you guys want to stay around for this because I don't know what her reaction is going to be. Let's go pick her up from the hotel room and see what's next. See you, boss lady.
See you. Beautiful morning it is.
Absolutely. I hope you slept well.
Excited?
Yeah, you slept well?
I did. I rested. Definitely.
Hey, boss lady things. Yesterday when we were coming back from Namanga, I think we had a little discussion around maybe perhaps you settling down in Kenya.
It would be amazing.
Yeah?
I love it here.
You love it here?
I do.
So hopefully today we'll show you something that will really tip the scales in that favor.
Okay.
I want to show you something special. Are you ready?
Yeah, can't wait.
All right, Zari, we're here. So I want to ask you to kindly, if you would be so kind to close your eyes, because this is supposed to be a surprise. I want you to tell me what you think in 3, 2, 1, open.
Wow. No ways. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Yes.
Oh my God. This is.
Yes.
It is super.
This is where we are. This is a mega mansion that has been developed and renovated from scratch by Fine Urban Construction and Interiors.
Wow. I love it. I love it. I love it.